In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank account on Facebook Marketplace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the Facebook app and how to add a payment method, including a bank account, so you can get paid smoothly for your marketplace sales. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account and that your app is up to date, as menus can look slightly different on older versions. A stable internet connection will also help the process go faster. Next, look toward the upper right corner of your screen and tap the three horizontal lines. This opens the main menu. On some devices, this menu might appear in a different spot, but the icon is the same, and it takes you to the same place. From the menu, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling. It's usually near the lower part of the list. Tap Settings and Privacy to expand more options, then tap Settings. This will open the full settings area where Facebook groups account, privacy, and payment controls. Within settings, scroll down and select Ads Payment. Even though you're adding a bank account for Marketplace, Facebook often manages payment methods in this section. In many regions, the options here can be used for both advertising and marketplace transactions. It's essentially the central hub for payment methods tied to your account. Inside Ads Payment, tap Add Payment Method. You'll see the available options for your region, which may include bank account, debit or credit card, or other supported services. Choose the payment method you need. If you're adding a bank account, select that option. Have your bank details ready, such as the account and routing numbers if required, and ensure the name on the account matches your Facebook account details to avoid verification issues. After selecting your method, tap Next and follow the on-screen prompts until the method is added. Take a moment to review any terms and confirm the information you enter is accurate. Depending on your bank and location, you might be asked to complete a quick verification step within your banking app or via a one-time code. Simply continue tapping Next and completing the prompts until you see confirmation that the payment method has been added. When you're done, you should see your new payment method listed in the payment settings. If you plan to receive marketplace payouts to this bank account, make sure it shows as active. That's all you need to set up your bank account through Facebook's payment settings so you can get paid reliably for your marketplace sales.